date, hate, late, place, plate, place, waiter, rain, brain, pain, paint, explain, dangerous. Routine, highlighter, silently, immediately, particular, title, operator, mistake, man, ant, bad, sad, happy, happen, slack, back, black, tax, tact, attack, vocabulary. Excuse me, person, hospital, optimistic, sociable, English, housework, police station, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Excuse me, what's your name, please? My name is Tung. Where do you come from, Tung? I come from Phú Thọ province. I come from Hanoi City.